Hi, this is Jason Thomas, owner and president of JTC, the person that offers the job that is more than just over broke. That's what JOB stands for. Let me give you a quick tour on what you expect at JTC. Everything you see in my head office here, including this light fixture, the workbenches, the old bricks that were reclaimed in one of our jobs, is all done by tradespeople. This is an art. This is not just a job. Come in here, fill out applications. You can expect to do an interview with me. I'll take at least an hour of your time, but I promise you it'll be all benefits. Will make you feel more like the respect level of a racehorse and not a workhorse, which it's been the standard for many years in construction. Come here, I'll show you some more things. We built these rustic furniture pieces. We expedite trainings in carpentry, electrical, HVAC, and welding. Everything that we do here is to speed up your career goals in one of those categories. We'll come in here, we'll do trainings, we'll do representation of your character using this HR All-Star tool that I invented, and also do free trainings right here in our classroom. Build shipping container jobs, fun and exciting things going on in JTC. We're going to take it nationwide. The nation's premier developer of working skilled tradesmen. We keep our promises. You show up to work every day, you're going to have a great time, and your career is going to be blown up in this shortest amount of time.